So today we're going to look at building a complete application with Webparts 360. Yep. Okay. So by complete solution, what we mean is we're going to build a project portfolio, a project workspace, an expense approval workflow, reporting, and at the same time provide for security control. So when we talk about a dashboard, it looks kind of similar, but if you look carefully, this particular system has a multi-column KPI. SharePoint, as you know, only supports a single column, right? The other thing that you realize is that the menu says view project or view edit selected project. It doesn't say view item, edit item, which is what SharePoint is. It's very difficult to change the context, the caption in a menu. And more importantly, with this Gantt view is a month view, not only daily, which is the only format for SharePoint to provide. Now, when we look at the detail of the project workspace, it allows you to drill down where you show only details for a selected project. And you will have the menu, which also shows you only things for that selected project. And yet, at the same time, it will be able to consolidate all your expense requests across all projects. Yep. Now, what happened is during the project submission process, the system will provide function like field validation and related lookups, okay? And during the approval process, you realize that there is a column permission control such that only project managers will be able to access certain fields within the system. And of course, you will be able to call and activate certain actions. Now, upon completion of the workflow, at any time in the point of the workflow, you are able to see exactly the flow of the transaction, including round trips. SharePoint, as you know, is a single step. You can't go round trip. So this can go multiple times around the process. And for the reporting bits, what we're going to be doing, we're going to be joining value from two tables, the actual expenses and the budget, the project budgeted value, and also provide with a drill tool into the project workspace. Now, that is in terms of the functionality. But at the same time, when you look at the security control, you look at this, the project managers can access much more functionality, whereas the project team member have less function to be able to access, right? Now, once you deliver the solution, we also includes good practice means the system must be documented with an ER diagram. It must be documented with a process flow, and all your process must be auditable, okay? And also it gives you a map in terms of your system where everything is. Yeah. So the final delivery is a system that works and also enable you to change and to extend it. So the magic question is, how long is this going to take you given any environment that you choose? And we're going to challenge you to show you how it can be done within 30 minutes.